High performance and long life. Only Bosch Iridium is engineered for both. Using innovative original equipment materials, designs and processes, Bosch Iridium delivers the best in OE technology. To increase the lifetime of the spark plug, Bosch Iridium spark plugs include a high-content Iridium center electrode for better durability and a more consistent and powerful spark, which leads to better performance over the lifetime of the spark plug. Competitors use varying levels of Iridium, which can decrease the life of the spark plug as well as the performance. And no other spark plug on the market is completely laser welded. Bosch Iridium spark plugs utilize laser welding on the ground electrode as well as 360-degree continuous laser welding on the center electrode. Continuous laser welding increases the durability of the plug. Yet competitors still employ pulse lasers or resistance welding to build their spark plugs. Thermal shock and durability tests show that these alternative welding processes can result in cracking of the weld and loss of platinum on the ground electrode, which can cause premature spark plug failure. The difference is clear. For better performance and a spark plug that will last, choose Bosch Iridium spark plugs. Bosch, invented for life.